The first step to any transfer is ensuring that you have the correct sling, so be sure to check out our detailed sling selection guide before diving into these how-to videos. Today we're going to demonstrate how to safely transfer a patient from a bed to their wheelchair. Begin by folding the sling in half with the smooth side end and place the sling beside the patient. Gently roll the patient to one side, line the folded sling up with the patient's tailbone and head, then roll half of the sling up and tuck it underneath the patient. Carefully roll the patient to their other side, unroll the sling so that it is laying flat with the smooth side up before returning the patient to a lying position. Gently raise each of the patient's legs to pull the straps underneath and over the patient's legs. You want the straps to be mid-thigh on the patient for the most comfortable transfer. Finally, cross the leg straps, pulling one strap through the other, and you're ready to bring in your lift. Approach the patient with the lift and lock it in place once it is in position. Connect your sling's loops through the lift bar, keeping in mind that the shorter loops will result in a more reclined patient position. Before lifting, make sure that the patient is fully inside the sling and that the straps and loops are not caught on the bed. With one hand on the patient and one hand on the lift controls, slowly begin lifting the patient. Once the patient has been lifted fully off the bed, you can unlock the lift and move the patient to their wheelchair. Lock the wheelchair in place and position the patient over the chair. With one hand on the patient and one hand on the lift controls, slowly begin lowering the patient. Unhook the sling's loops from the lift and move the lift out of the way.